Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for a Gemini exchange account step by step. Let's get started on your cryptocurrency journey with one of the most trusted platforms. Step 1. Visit the Gemini website. Begin by navigating to the official Gemini website at www.gemini.com. Make sure that the website is legitimate to protect your personal information. Step 2. Click Get Started. Once you're on the Gemini homepage, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to initiate the registration process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a secure email that you have access to and hit Get Started. You will receive a verification email shortly. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your inbox for an email from Gemini. Click on the verification link provided, which will redirect you back to the Gemini website to continue the registration process. Step 5. Create a password. On the next page, you'll need to create a strong password for your account. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Step 6. Complete your profile. Fill in the required personal information, which may include your full name, date of birth, and address. This information is necessary for identity verification. Step 7. Verify your identity. Gemini will require you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and may also involve a selfie to confirm your identity. Step 8. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This will add an additional layer of protection to your account by requiring a verification code sent to your phone each time you log in. Step 9. Fund your account. Once your identity is verified, you can fund your account. Click on the deposit button and choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer or debit card, to add funds to your Gemini account. Step 10. Start trading. Congratulations! Your Gemini account is now set up and funded. You can start trading cryptocurrencies by navigating to the trading section of the platform. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Happy trading!